they tell me, is it my name is or my name are? So anyhow you want to put it, I don't care. If Sam Omojevu Ogeneselu Precious Rollins Obogena look who am lewo jiro kedike de koke ogene yokimona jobi said. Let me say it again so that you don't think I'm speaking in tongues. Is my name. That is part of the reason why I've not collected my Canadian passport, because they refuse to put the last name, and I won't take that from them. All my names must be in my passport. If they refuse to put that last name, I will be angry and go back to my country. They've been begging me to stay. I'm telling you. But I keep telling them, if they don't put my longest name, I'm not taking that Canadian passport. Mommy, should I stay? Madam President say I should just manage it. My name? Na Sam Omojevu Ogeneselu Precious Rollins. Obogene Luko Huam Lewo Jiro Kedike de Koke Ogene Yokimona Jobi said. One last time, listen attentively. Sam Omojevu Ogeneselu Precious Rollins. Obogene Luko Huam Lewo Jiro Kedike de Koke Ogene Yokimona Jobi said. Daddy has been at one of my events before, so Daddy will answer the question because I know you practiced it the last time and I know you are ready to answer it. Thank you, sir.
I have forgotten.
Ladies and gentlemen, think about that name because if you get it correctly, you're going to be winning a gift tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, put those hands together as I make welcome Madam President for the President's opening speech. I thought you would rise on your feet and you would be clapping. Come on, I thought you would raise your voice and make that noise louder. Come on, do it better, do it better. It's my president too. You're welcome, Madam President. Thank you so much.
Let us sit down. Good evening, everyone. I'm so overwhelmed. And I knew I'm going to be. So because of that, I wrote my speech so that I will not miss anything tonight. And I will read. I said, we work so hard, know that. One thing I've come to understand in this land, in this Canada, is that we are all not lazy. Lazy people cannot live abroad. True of us. That is, we all work so hard. We work so hard to pay mortgage. Work so hard to pay other bills. Work so hard to create attention for our children. And the most critical one is that we work so hard to send money home to our relatives. But we ourselves, we argue a lot over finance. We even forget that we married for companionship, to enjoy ourselves. The discussion and the intimacy we have most often is to discuss money. Let me cite myself as an example. Anytime my husband say, my dear, we need to talk. Hey, my heart will do because I know, because I know it's going to be about money. You know, they've increased this this bill is coming. Can't we even talk about another thing? And I'm sure some of us here tonight, we are in the same boat. The most important thing that God created the union for is often left behind. Companionship, intimacy, friendship, enjoyment. We feel it is important that out of all our busy schedules, to create a time like this for us to bond, to ask if we are still enjoying the relationship. How many times, and I want us to be sincere to ourselves, as your husband asks, ìyá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbádùn kìíní. How many times? Probably very few people will remember to ask. We don't ask. You don't even ask sometimes. If you are happy, if you are really enjoying the marriage, sometimes we don't ask. And how many times also do we exchange gifts? Sometimes we just forget. And honestly, when we talk about gift, it's not even the gift itself. It's just a way to show that we have ourselves in memory. We remember ourselves and we care for ourselves. Imagine when our husband just told that, you know what, I'm going to go to, down south because I want to get you that thing you like. It doesn't matter how much, it doesn't matter how insignificant that thing is. It's just to show that we care for ourselves. Well, the good news is that we have created such opportunity for ourselves tonight to express ourselves to ourselves. Tonight, we want to bond. We want to talk, we want to relax, and we want to eat together. After all, how many times do we even eat together at home? You work morning, your husband work night, so sometimes you don't even see. So tonight, thank you for coming. There are plenty to eat and to drink, and we just started. We will listen to some words of encouragement that we continue to put aroma in our relationship tonight from our God-fearing pastors and imam, Samuel Babatunde and Dr. Bola Kasum, respectively. Our saxophonist, Slim Time, is here to melodionize the evening. Our able DJ L to play lovely coffee songs. And our own one in town, MC, comedian, Sam Ojivu, Sam Koro, the bread, something to say tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we declare this place open. Let's bond, let's enjoy tonight. Thank you so much for coming.
Come on, let's clap for our president, please. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Madam President has declared the floor open, and she said it is time to bond. Last night, I was at the Citadel Church for a wonderful session. I think a few persons that were here right now, they were also there, and it was a time of talking, sincere talking. So the first bonding activity we're going to do today is to please ask all the men to please put their phone on the table. Put it on the table. All the men, put that phone on the table. Turn it upside down, like this. Because, Madam President, you get talking, people are still pressing their phone while their wife is sitting close to them. Who are you texting? That text can wait. Are you on call? Except you're on call. So all the men in the house, if you don't mind, can you please stand up? You know, being the MC, I have the authority to ask my daddies to please stand. Yes, please stand. Now stand behind your wife. Stand behind your wife. All the men in the building, stand behind your wife. Oh my God. If your husband is not here, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, ma'am. Just hold yourself. Yeah, he's my guy. Godwin is my guy. Don't worry. Stand behind your partner. Now, I want you to whisper something to her, something you've never said to her before. Something new. Okay, you think what you want to whisper to her. Or you whisper something new, something you have never whispered before. Oh my God. See the way body they do me right now. Slim Time, you are a bachelor, go outside. You will come.